Hi guys, I've got two brand new kits and we're going to make lots of cards today, so come on back. Welcome back to Cardz TV, guys. Now, you know lately I have been loving card kits, and I've got two great ones to show you today from close to my heart. This first one is called Hawthorne, and Close to My Heart has really stepped up their game with their kits. Not only do you get this gorgeous stamp set, you now get the dies to cut the stamps out. I think these are just gorgeous. We've got thanks so much, so blessed to have you, grateful for you, this beautiful cluster of leaves and acorns and pine cones, and then you get a separate acorn and pine cone. And then something I really love is this little stitched line. And that's going to be really awesome to put on your cards. Now, you always get this instruction booklet, so if you're new to card making, this is perfect for you guys. Inside, you've got all the instructions on how to cut out your papers, how to do your stamping, and how to put your cards together. And now, you used to get 12 pre-scored cards and envelopes. With this kit, you get 15 cards so that you can make 5 of each one of these designs. And you also get this beautiful twine. This is called mink. And take a look at these papers, guys. They're gorgeous. The Hawthorne set is going to make some beautiful Thanksgiving and thinking of you and thank you cards. But look at this one, guys. This one's called Every Little Thing, and it's got some of my favorite colors in it. We've got some beautiful kind of a aqua blue, a purple, and a beautiful green. And once again, we get the instruction book, and look at this stamp set with these gorgeous butterflies. We get a little flower, some leaves, and then this little stamp for putting dots on things. Here it is right here. And once again, we're going to get the dies to cut these out. We'll also get these beautiful julep glitter enamel dots. I love Close to My Heart enamel dots. They are such good quality, and the colors are gorgeous and coordinate beautifully. And look at these papers. Speaking of beautiful, this is just gorgeous. And it's got a nice zip strip up here too. Now, I think this set would be great for making thinking of you, sympathy cards, some birthday cards, and this also has all your cutting instructions inside and how to put your card together. And this set comes with 16 pre-scored cards so that you can do 4 each of these 4 designs. Okay guys, let's get started with the Every Little Thing card kit. I made 6 cards using the Every Little Thing card kit, and I think they all turned out so beautiful. And I've still got tons of stuff left. If I want to do the 4 cards that they gave the instructions for in the kit, I've got plenty to do those as well. But here's the first one. And I use sentiments from Cardz TV Stamps card sets. So here's this one, and I love the bling on there. And I love the way that butterfly in the black and white matches the paper so well. Then this one, I put a scripture from Proverbs on here. Thought that turned out really pretty. This is Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. Here's another one, and all I did was reverse my background papers. This one's John 3:16. I love this one with that butterfly that I colored right there in the center of that square, and then this scalloped mat. I thought that was really pretty. And these two, I have the same design except I reversed the papers. And this is that cute little flower stamp with the leaves that came in the kit. So as you can see, guys, this is a very, very versatile card kit, and I'm going to leave you a link, a direct link to this one, so you can pick this up by going to see Linda at her Close to My Heart site, and you will love this kit. You can use it for so many different types of cards. Now we're going to do some cards with the Hawthorne kit. Here are the 4 cards I made using the Hawthorne Card Kit from Close to My Heart. Didn't this one turn out pretty? And you can see I've added some gold bling to these. Now this is some gold glitter enamel dots that I got in another Close to My Heart kit, but I think you can buy these separately, and they just add so much to this card. I hope you can see them. Now I stamped my cluster of leaves, pine cones. Here we go. I stamped it with some brown ink and colored it in with some alcohol markers, and I just think it turned out so pretty. And I love this wood grain zip strip that came off the top of the pattern paper. Now this one is a landscape style card, and I stamped it with the brown ink, but this time I didn't color it in, and I just went ahead and put this down with Grateful for You, and I've added some more of those gold enamel glitter dots from Close to My Heart. These did not come in this kit, but you can purchase these separately, and they're so pretty. And then here we have another one. This time I used the little acorn stamp and the little stitched line stamp, and I added my glitter enamel dots right down here. And I did my acorns in 3 different colors. And then this one is the same as this one, except I turned this one to a portrait style card and used a different sentiment, and I flipped this paper over from the yellow to the blue. And I love both of them. Here are all 10 of the cards I made using the 2 close to my heart card making kits called Every Little Thing, that's this set, and Hawthorne. And guys, you can pick these up by going to Linda's Close to My Heart site. I'm going to leave you a direct link for each of these kits below this video on YouTube as well as on my blog. I know you will love and enjoy these and just have the best time making cards with these 2 beautiful kits. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. Have an awesome day, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.